So special thanks to this company for sending us their 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. This will work with any iPhone, iPad, etc. It's specifically made for the iPhones, but it'll also charge an iPad, iPad mini, anything with a lightning port. Nothing around the edges, and the back just tell you 5,000 milliamp hour. It does have a USB-C port for charging, and then the lightning port is for charging the iPhones. Let's open it on up. Plastic off. And slide this out. That's it for the box. Here's the actual power bank. Very nice black color. I like the look of that. This is your power button, so you just double press that and it cuts on. It comes with 75% charge. That's pretty nice. Your USB-C type is over here for charging the device, and the best part is a foldable stand. So now if I take this off to charge my iPhone, I can take my iPhone, plug in my iPhone, and then it will sit there like so. And then of course they do include a USB-A to USB-C port to charge this device, since it doesn't charge with a lightning port. But that is essentially it. You'd be able to just plug this right into your phone and let it charge while it's in your pocket, while it's in your book bag. And you know, if you want to have it setting up and displayed, you can use the kickstand like so. So again, special thanks to this company for sending me this product, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.